Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your saved payment card, debit or credit card from TikTok. Before we begin, some people cannot remove their card because you recently bought coins, you have an active TikTok subscription, or you added the card via Google Play or Apple ID, not directly in TikTok. So here I'm going to explain how you can fix all three situations. So to move the card from TikTok directly, you can just open a TikTok. And now just tap on profile in the bottom right corner. And then tap on the three lines at the top right and go to the settings and privacy. And in here, click on the old orders option. And then select the payment method option. So you can just swipe and click on the payment methods. So inside this menu, you'll see your credit card or debit card if you have one. Like on this ones right here, I'm using the e-wallet. But if you're using card, it also the options in here. You can just tap the card and choose to remove or delete the card. This one, for example, delete the payment method. And if the remove button is grayed out, you probably have an active subscription or coin purchase pending. And if the card doesn't show inside TikTok, maybe it's stored in Google Play. You can open a Google Play on your device. Tap on your profile photo at the top and go to the payment and subscription. This one. Tap on payment methods, then here you can just select your card and tap on remove. And after that, you can just restart TikTok and the card will disappear from your TikTok balance. And if you're using Apple, if you're using or you added the card through Apple ID for iPhone users, you can just open the settings, tap on the Apple ID name and choose the card that you want to remove. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Thank you for watching. Bye.